I'm going to recite a small poem. Home may be a safe place for you, but for many students, their safe place is school. Remember, when you go out for no reason, they only ask you to follow one simple regulation. Think of all the doctors and nurses risking their own life without proper protection. By leaving our house unnecessarily, we continue to spread this horrible infection. We clap our hands for them every day. This has become a regular thing. We do this to show our appreciation and thanks. Instrument plays, band clang, and we sing. It's in these unprecedented times we must stand together as one to kill this horrible beast that has confined us all. So we can finally say, we won. Thank you.
Happy Independence Day to all of you. I'm Shrishti Tripathi from class 9th, and today as we are celebrating virtual Independence Day, so I thought I should share a short poem with you all. Under the blue sky, where each has got space, where birds fly at various heights and there is no earth-like cage. Because independence is all about freedom. I'll flap my wings and fly away and spread patriotism all the way. The boundaries created with love will stay forever. And if anyone will ask me, what is freedom? I'll tell them with pride why oxygen matters to your life. Once Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji said कि भारत कोई भूमि का टुकड़ा नहीं है, यह एक राष्ट्र पुरुष है. इसका कंकड़ कंकड़ हमारे लिए शंकर है, इसकी नदी नदी हमारे लिए गंगा है. और हमारे मरने के बाद भी हमारी गंगा में प्रवाहित अस्थियों को कोई कान लगाकर सुनता है तो एक ही आवाज़ आती है, भारत माता की जय. So thank you for giving me your precious time. Happy Independence Day once again. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
तेरी सांसों पे थोड़ा सा वतन का भी हक था. ना देख मुझे यूं मुड़ मुड़ के, तेरा मेरा साथ यहीं तक था. ये तेरी ज़मीं तेरे खून से ही तो सजती संवरती है रांझे. तेरे इश्क की मैं हकदार नहीं, तेरी हीर तो धरती है रांझे. तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरी फसलों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू.
को बताए रखना, रोशनी होगी चिरागों को जलाए रखना। लहू देकर जिसने की हिफाजत ऐसे, उस तिरंगे को सदा दिल में बसाए रखना, उस तिरंगे को सदा दिल में बसाए रखना। With this, a very happy 74th Independence Day to all patriots. This is the most auspicious day for all the citizens of the country to pay tribute and salute to all the freedom fighters who sacrificed their life for India. 74 years ago, we gained independence from Britishers on 15th August 1947. As history always repeats itself, now the year 2020 gave us an opportunity to defeat coronavirus with unity and fraternity. Once Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel said, every citizen of India must remember that he is an Indian and he gets all his rights in this country, but with certain duties. And the best example presented before us was from the time of March 2020, where all the citizens of the country performed their duty with unity, not only to protect themselves, but to the people around them. 2020 was not such a great year, but it provided us an opportunity to prove that India, along with the citizens, can withstand any situation at national or international level. As problems are something that provide us to grow, and in turn, we can make our country an Atmanirbhar Bharat. This is only India that all other countries admire its culture, tradition, ethnicity. As today, we not only look up to the government for each and every problem, but we learned to be self-dependent. For example, a disease can be cured if patients want to. Only doctors itself cannot cure a disease. Similarly, a country can become strong and powerful if the citizens of the country are strong and they take responsibility to make this country stronger too. I would like to end my speech with a quotation said by Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. One individual may die for an idea. That idea, after its death, may incarnate itself in thousands' lives. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। संदेशे आते हैं हमें तड़पाते हैं, वो चिट्ठी आती है तो पूछे जाते हैं कि घर कब लाओगे, कि घर कब लाओगे, कि को कब लाओगे, कि तुमने ये घर सुना सुना है। मैं गया जहाँ भी बस तेरी याद थी, जो मेरे साथ थी, मुझको तड़पाती रुलाती, सबसे प्यारी प्यारी तेरी सूरत प्यार है, बस तेरा प्यारी बात मुझे
you a very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
ना जियो धर्म के नाम पर, ना मरो धर्म के नाम पर, इंसानियत ही है धर्म वतन का, बस जियो वतन के नाम पर, बस जियो वतन के नाम पर. A very happy Independence Day to everyone. I am Swarna Asati of class 11. It is an honor for me to present a short speech on Independence Day with you all. Today is the historic day in the history of our country. On this day, 15 August 1947, we got independence from the British. This day reminds us of our true worth and importance as a freedom-loving brave nation. Dear friends, as we know, this day comes every year to remind us our promises to this land. It is indeed, we have got independence from the foreign yokes, but it remains a lot to be done. We have to fight against social and economic issues. We have to fight against poverty, illiteracy, youth unemployment and overpopulation. We have to stand against ignorance and spread education in each corner of the country. Dear friends, there lies a huge responsibility upon our shoulders. We have to work day and night for the progress and welfare of our country. Soon the day is not far when we will be the world's most powerful country. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Dear friends, I wish you a very happy 74th Independence Day. This red letter day not only brings joyous smiles on the faces of all the Indians, but fills their heart with immense pride and enthusiasm. साथियों, कोरोना ने भले ही हमें एक जगह एकत्रित होने से रोक लिया हो, मगर वह हमारे प्यारे भारतवर्ष के प्रति हमारे प्रेम व जज्बे को बिल्कुल नहीं कम कर सकता. The medium may be digital, but the emotions are truly pious and straight from the core of the heart. आइए हम सब मिलकर अपने सजल नयनों से भारत के वीर सपूतों को श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित करें. मेरे साथ कहिए, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय. जय हिंद, जय भारत.
सी हंसी भोली सी खुशी फूलों सी बाहें भूल गए जब देश में दी आवाज हमें हम घर की राहें भूल गए. हम सोए नहीं कई रातों से जाने वतन साजा बुझे उन्हें नींद उसी दिन आएगी जब देखेंगे आबाद तुझे. तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू. तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू.
Stand up. Stand up for your rights. Get up, stand up. Don't give up the fight. Get up, stand up. Stand up for your rights. Get up, stand up. Don't give up the fight. Preacher man, don't tell me heaven is under the earth. I know you don't know what life is really worth. It's not all the glitter is gold. Have that story I never been told. So now you see the light. Stand up for your rights. Come on, get up, stand up. Stand up for your rights. Get up, stand up. Don't give up the fight. Get up, stand up. Stand up for your rights. Get up, stand up. Don't give up the fight. Most people think great God will come from the skies, take away everything, make everybody feel high. But if you know what life is worth, you will look for yours on earth. So now you see the light. Stand up for your right. Yes sir, get up, stand up. Stand up for your rights. Get up, stand up. Don't give up the fight. Get up, stand up. Stand up for your rights. Get up, stand up. Don't give
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन आबाद रहे तू, आबाद रहे तू।
आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे, आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे।
तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से। पहुँचू मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, पहुँचू मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू। ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन।
शुभ दिन
आपके सामने देश के ऊपर कुछ पंक्तियां बोलना चाहता हूँ जो इस प्रकार है। चाहता हूँ कि कोई नेकी काम हो जाए, मेरी हर सांस देश के नाम हो जाए, मेरी हर सांस देश के नाम हो जाए। जो सिर उठे तो मेरे सामने तिरंगा हो, जो सिर उठे तो मेरे सामने तिरंगा हो, जो सिर झुके तो वतन को प्रणाम हो जाए। अब मैं शहीदों के लिए कुछ पंक्तियां बोलूंगा। किसी को शह दिया उसने, किसी को मात दे दी है, विधाता ने सभी को कुछ न कुछ बात दे दी है। आप में काव्य सुनने की ललक जिसने जगा दी है, उसी ने काव्य रचने की मुझे सौगात दे दी है। शहीदों की बदौलत आज में हिंदुस्तान जिंदा है, शहीदों की बदौलत आज मेरा हिंदुस्तान जिंदा है। धन्यवाद।